In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer money from Payoneer to Binance. The easiest way to transfer money from Payoneer to Binance is to deposit funds with your Payoneer credit card to buy crypto. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Start by signing into your Binance account via a desktop browser or mobile app. Just keep in mind that you'll need to complete a KYC process before you can use all of Binance's features. After that, select the Credit Debit Card option from the Buy Crypto drop-down menu on the Binance homepage. Enter the amount of the fiat currency you want to spend. Select the fiat currency you want to use and pick the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. For the purposes of this guide, we'll be buying $100 worth of Bitcoin with the US dollar. Click Continue to proceed. After that, provide the relevant card details, including your name, card number, expiration date, security code, and address, and click Confirm when you finish to proceed. And those details, by the way, are coming from your Payoneer MasterCard. After that, you'll be presented with a confirmation window that displays your order's details, including the fiat total, the amount of transaction fees, and the exchange rate. In the case of Binance, you'll have 10 seconds to confirm your transaction. The short time window is meant to guarantee against any rate changes that could occur before the order is confirmed. Otherwise, you'll need to repeat the process. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.